ਜਬ ਲੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਭਾਗਲ ਲਾਡ ਉਦੈ, ਤਬ ਲੋ ਭ੍ਰਮ ਤੇ ਫਿਰਤੇ ਬਹੁ ਧਾਇਓ। ਕਲ ਘੋਰ ਸਮੁਦਰ ਬੈ ਬੂਡਤ ਥੇ, ਕਬਹੂ ਮਿਟਹਿ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੇ ਪਛਤਾਇਓ। ਤਤ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਯਹ ਮਥੁਰਾ, ਜਗ ਤਾਰਨ ਕਉ ਅਵਤਾਰ ਬਨਾਇਓ। ਜਪਿਓ ਜਿਨ ਅਰਜੁਨ ਦੇਵ ਗੁਰੂ, ਫਿਰ ਸੰਕਟ ਜੋਨ ਗਰਭ ਨ ਆਇਓ। ਗਿਆਨ ਅੰਜਨ ਗੁਰ ਦੀਆ, ਅਗਿਆਨ ਅੰਧੇਰ ਬਿਨਾਸ਼। ਹਰ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਤੇ ਸੰਤ ਭੇਟਿਆ, ਨਾਨਕ ਮਨ ਪਰਗਾਸ। ਕਹਾ ਬੁੱਧ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਤੁਛ ਹਮਾਰੀ, ਬਰਨ ਸਕੈ ਮਹਿਮਾ ਜੋ ਤਿਹਾਰੀ। ਹਮ ਨ ਸਕਤ ਕਰ ਸਿਫਤ ਤੁਮਾਰੀ, ਆਪ ਲਿਹੋ ਤੁਮ ਕਥਾ ਸੁਧਾਰੀ। ਮੂਕ ਉਚਰੈ ਸਾਸਤਰ ਖਟ, ਪਿੰਗ ਗਿਰ ਨ ਚੜ ਜਾਏ। ਅੰਧ ਲਖੈ ਬਦਰੋ ਸੁਨੈ, ਜੋ ਕਾਲ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਾਏ। ਅੰਧ ਲਖੈ ਬਦਰੋ ਸੁਨੈ, ਜੋ ਕਾਲ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਕਰਾਏ।
ਸਤਨਾਮ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ। ਕਰਤੂਤ ਪਸੂ ਕੀ ਮਾਨਸ ਜਾਤ, ਲੋਕ ਪਚਾਰਾ ਕਰੈ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ। ਕਰਤੂਤ ਪਸੂ ਕੀ ਮਾਨਸ ਜਾਤ, ਲੋਕ ਪਚਾਰਾ ਕਰੈ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ। ਬਾਹਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਅੰਤਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਭੇਕ ਅੰਤਰ ਮਨ ਮਾਇਆ। ਛਪਸ ਨਾਹਿ ਕਛ ਕਰੈ ਛਪਾਇਆ, ਬਾਹਰ ਗਿਆਨ ਧਿਆਨ ਇਸਨਾਨ। ਅੰਤਰ ਵਿਆਪੈ ਲੋਭ ਸੁਆਨ, ਅੰਤਰ ਅਗਨ ਬਾਹਰ ਤਨ ਸੁਆਹ। ਗਲ ਪਾਥਰ ਕੈਸੇ ਤਰੈ ਅਥਾਹ, ਜਾ ਕੈ ਅੰਤਰ ਬਸੈ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਆਪ। ਨਾਨਕ ਤੇ ਜਨ ਸਹਿਜ ਸਮਾਤ, ਅੰਤਰ ਬਸੈ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਆਪ। ਨਾਨਕ ਤੇ ਜਨ ਸਹਿਜ ਸਮਾਤ, ਕਰਤੂਤ ਪਸੂ ਕੀ ਮਾਨਸ ਜਾਤ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸਤਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, ਸਾਜੀ ਨਿਵਾਜੀ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, ਆਪ ਜੀ ਇਕੱਤਰ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਧੰਨ ਧੰਨ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਪਾਵਨ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਹਜ਼ੂਰੀ ਅੰਦਰ। ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਅਤਿਅੰਤ ਵੱਡੇ ਭਾਗ ਹਨ। ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਬਚਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ ਕਿ ਸੁਨ ਹਰ ਕਥਾ ਉਤਾਰੀ ਮੈਲ, ਮਾਹ ਪੁਨੀਤ ਭੈ ਸੁਖ ਸੈਲ। ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰਭੂ ਪਰਮੇਸ਼ਰ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਕਥਾ ਸਰਵਣ ਕਰਕੇ, ਨਾਮ ਰੂਪੀ ਕਥਾ ਸਰਵਣ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਨਮਾਂ ਜਨਮਾਤਰਾ ਦੇ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਪਾਪ ਸਾਰੇ ਨਿਵਰਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ ਸੱਚੇ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਕਥਾ ਸਰਵਣ ਕਰਕੇ। We're so blessed to join in the court of Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji to go through this katha of Sri Sukhmani Sahib, Sukh Den Wali Bani. This prayer, these words that give Sukh. Sukh means peace, happiness. Den Wali Bani, these words of happiness, of peace. If somebody is able to listen to these words, Sarvan karke means to listen, fir man ke to accept, fir nidyasan. Nidyasan means to follow, to apply into our lives. Abhyas karke, by again and again practicing these words, then we gain the true fruits of this Bani. So Guru Sahib is saying, by listening to the Katha, by listening to the discourse of the Guru's Bani, of the Guru's words, Sun Har Katha, by listening to the words of Vaiguruji, because these are not the words of the Guru. If you ask Guru Arjan Dev Ji, they say these are the words of God. If you ask Guru Sahib to say, Tur ki Bani ai, then a sagali chint matai. That means that this Bani has come from Tur. Tur to ai Sad Sangat Ji, from Sachkhand, where Parameshwar Vaiguruji resides himself, where God resides. These words have come straight from there. Just like Pehle Pasha, first Guru, Guru Nanak Dev Ji tells us, Jaisi mein aave, khasam ki bani, tesra kari gyan ve lalo. When they was traveling across the whole of the world, first in Hindustan, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji went to Ahmedabad, somebody called by Lalo Ji, and they told them that these are not my words, these are the words from Vaiguru Ji. As God puts these words in my tongue, I speak them to you. So I listen to this katha of Vaiguru Ji, of their words, Utari Mel, They said that all of our sins are taken away, they're washed away. That is the effect of listening to Guru Sahib Ji's Katha. That is the power by coming into the court of Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji, that all of our pains, all of our sins are taken away. And when there is no more pain, then there's only Sukh. There's only Sukh Swarup, meaning the form of happiness, who is Vaheguru Ji. And realizing that one, experiencing that one. So, with Guru Sahib Ji's apar kirpa, for many, many weeks we've gone through the Katha. There's been a few weeks off, but Guru Kirpa Karan, that we can continue the Katha today of Sri Sukhmani Sahib from this Panjvi Pauri of Sri Sukhmani Sahib. The Guru Maharaj Ji, just Sankhep de Sahib Sangh Ji, last Katha de which what we went through, we talked about the idea ke Aad Ant Jo Rakhnahar. This is your Preet na karega var. Such powerful words by Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji ke Aad Ant. Pave Sahib Sangh Ji Janam to lekar Maut tak, from the start of our life to the end of our life, Aad Ant Jo Rakhnahar. Vaheguru Ji is protecting us from the start to the end of our life. Aad Ant Jo Rakhnahar. This is your Preet na karega var. But Guru Arjan Dev Ji says to us that that one who takes care of us from the start of our life to the end of our life, this is your Preet na karega var. Gavar means murak, fool. They say, what a fool is that person who does not remember them. This is your Preet who doesn't have prem. They don't have love for that one who's protecting them. And we call such a person a kirtkan. A kirtkan means somebody who's very ungrateful, who doesn't realize that Vaheguru Ji is taking care of them. This so Preet na karega var. Jaki seva navnid pave, taso mura man nahi lave. The one who gives us all the treasures of happiness, taso mura man nahi lave. Jira Murak Purush hai Sahib Sangh Ji, oh chetani karda hai, they do not remember Vaheguru Ji. Prabhu Parameshwar Vaheguru Ji da naam nahi cheta karda hai, they don't remember Vaheguru Ji's name, never remember their name. So Guru Arjan Dev Ji continues in that Shabad, just before we start the Bani for today from Kartut Pasu Ki Manas Jata, Osto Pehla Sahib Sangh Ji, Guru Sahib Ji says, Andhakoop meh patit bikaral, Nanak card leho prab dayal. Andhakoop. Koop here is talking about kuhu. Kuh means a well. Andhakoop means anye kuhu. A very, very dark, deep well. Andhakoop mehe pave vicha patita bikaral. Patit means a papi purusha. Jire papi purush han Sahib Sangh Ji, o gir rahe han, fas gaye han in this anye kuh. They are stuck inside this dark well. We are stuck in this dark well. You know, sometimes in life you think that there's no solution, there's no opal, there's no way out of this anneku, this dark, dark well which is very, very deep. But what is the way out? Guru Arjan Dev Ji tells us at the end of the fourth pauri, the fourth stanza of this Ashtapadi, they say, Nanak kaad leho prabh dayal. They say, hey Prabhu Parameshwar Vaheguru Ji, you are Dayadakar, you are the home of compassion. Nanak kaad leho. God Leho means to take me out of this dark well. This is the ardas beneti that we should be doing, the humble plea that we should be doing to Vaheguru Ji. So Sahib Sangh Ji, that was in the last katha. The Agya Hon Sahib Sangh Ji, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji, Kere Bachan Sarvan Karde Han, which words did they speak to us? Bachan Kere Karde Han, to go through that. Let's focus our minds on the charan of Tan Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji. Aram Karan to Pehla, let's all say Satnam Sri Vaheguru Ji together. Then we start the Katha Vichar for today. So Sari Sangat Akho Satnam Sri Vaheguru Sahib Ji.
Satnam Sri Vaheguru Sahib Ji, Kartut Pasu Ki Manas Jat.
So Sahib Sangat Ji, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji here is talking to us about the state of many, many people in this world. Kartut. Kartut here means Karni. Pave Kal Jug de Vich Sahib Sangat Ji, Jira Kal Jug da Jeev hai, the people that live in this world right now, the majority of us, they say that Jeev di Karni Pasu wali hai. They say the actions of the person are just like a Pashu. Pasu means like an animal. Kartut Pasu ki Manas Jat. Manas Jat means Chahe Sasani, they've got a human body. Vaheguru Ji is given this human body to them, but they act like an animal. The body is different, but the karni, the actions are the same. So what is the difference? Ki fark hai Saad Sangat ji in that human and in that pashu? What is the difference? There is no difference. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪੰਡਿਤ ਹਰਦਿਆਲ ਜੀ ਸਾਰਗਤਾਵੀ ਗ੍ਰੰਥ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਚਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ, they speak about this, ਸਮੁਖੋ ਪੰਡਿਤ ਹਰਦਿਆਲ ਜੀ, and they say to us, ਨਿੰਦਰਾ ਭੋਜਨ ਭੋਗ ਪੈ ਇਹ ਪਸ ਪੁਰਖ ਸਮਾਨ. Nindra, need, to sleep. They're saying to us, Nindra, to sleep, Bhojan, food, Bhog, to partake in different things like food and different rasakas of the world. Nindra, Bhojana, Bhog, Pੈ, Dar. Ehe pas purka saman. They say, Pashu ate manuk de vich, these four things are the same, saman, equal. The human eats, the human sleeps, the human gets scared, and the human takes part in many different types of desires in the world. And they say, so does the animal. So what is the difference between us and the animals then? What makes the human so special? Like we say in Rehra Sahib, Gobind milan ki ehe teri bariya, us to pehla pai prapat manuk de horiya. You've been given the human body, Guru Arjan Dev Ji is saying, to meet Vaiguruji, that is the difference between us and the animals, that we have the opportunity to meet God. So Nindra Pojana Pogape, Ehe Pasa Puraka Saman. These are the four things we both do: sleep, eat, indulge in different desires of the world, and then Dar. We both have fear. So what is the difference? Narna Neja Gyan Adhikata. They say this is the Vada, this is the Visheshta, this is the greatness of the human being. They say Narna Pave Manuk de Viche Nij Gyan Adhikata. Nij Gyan means to have knowledge of our Nij Sroop, of our true form. This is what makes us different. We have the opportunity to understand who we truly are. Nij Gyan Adhikata. This is the greatness of the human being. But फिर पंडित जी कह रहे हैं, they say to us, बिना ज्ञान pasa jaan. Atam gyan to bina, without that true knowing of our true self, they say pasa jaan, just know that is another animal as well. Yes, they may have a human body, but that is just another animal walking. There is no difference. We're doing better off just being an animal, right? We probably have less worries as well, right? So Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj is saying to us, Kartut pasu ki manas jat, ke jeev di karni pasu wali hai. The human just acts like an animal, and even though they have the human body, Hanji,
ਲੋਕ ਪਚਾਰਾ ਕਰੈ ਦਿਨ ਰਾਤ
te din raat Saad Sangat ji, jira kal jug da jeev, that person lives in this dark age of ignorance. They say, what does that person do? Lok pachara kare din raat. Pachara. Dikhave diya galla karda renda hai. All they do is speak all these words, but they're just words. They're just empty words. Many things that they say, but they've not experienced it. They say, Sadi halat hai, many times, Das di halat, this is my state. We talk about many things, we've not experienced it. They're just words, empty words. So Guru Sahib saying, Lok pachara kare din raat, that the khava diya galla karda renda hai. All they do is speak these words, but they've not lived them. Experience nahi kiti Saad Sangat ji. And that is what Guru Bani is. The Guru's words are meant to be experienced, not just heard, not just recited. Just like how Guru Sahib ji says to us, Paat paryo ar bed vicharyo nivlapo angama sadhe. He said that you may read all these words, you may read these different types of prayers of different dharmic pustaka, these different holy granths that are out there, but they say, Pancha jana jo sang ne chutkyo. If you've not given up the 5 thieves, Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Ahankar, desires, anger, attachment, pride, greed, then what have we truly learned? Guru Sahib Ji is saying to us in Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, what have we truly learned if we've not renounced these things inside us? So, Lok Pachara kare din raat, avar upadesh hai, aap na kare. Guru Sahib Ji said to us, if we've not experienced these words, then what is the point? What are we doing with our lives? We have to apply them into our lives. Lok Pachara kare din raat, Hanji.
ਬਾਹਰ ਭੇਖ ਅੰਤਰ ਮਲ ਮਾਇਆ
Te bahro Saad Sangat ji, on the outside pekha. They say the khave da libas banaya hoya hai. On the outside they've got this form of the way that they look. They look, from the outside they may look very saintly. May look like a sadhu sant. But they say bahar pekha antar mal maya. But andro Saz Sangat Ji maya di mail lagi hoi hai. Inside they're just completely covered in mail, in dirt. Just like in Siri Anand Sahib da part, Guru Amar Das Ji tells us, Ji ho mele, bahar ho nirmal. So on the inside, mele. It is just mel, it's just dirt, the dirt of sin. But bahar ho nirmal. On the outside they look very pure. The ਉਸ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ Guru Sahib Ji tells us ਤਿਨੀ ਜਨਮ ਜੂਏ ਹਾਰਿਆ. They say that person has wasted this life. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਨਮ, that life is ਵਿਅਰਥ. It is of no use, Guru Sahib Ji saying. And then they say ਇਹ ਤਿਸਨਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਰੋਗ ਲੱਗਾ. They've got the biggest disease. That person has the biggest disease. ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡਾ ਰੋਗ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ? ਮਰਨ ਮਨ ਹੋਵੇ ਸਾਰਿਆ. They say they've forgotten that they're going to die. That we're all going to go one day, that we're not going to stay. We have so much bharosa, so much faith in this life of ours, but it could go tomorrow. Baba Buddha Ji, a very, very famous Guru Sikh, a Sikh of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, all the way up to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Maharaj. 6 Guru Sahiban they served. Baba Buddha Ji, when they were just a young child, takriban 11 saal di umar de vich, when they were 11 years old, they see all these Pathans, all these soldiers come to their pind, and what do they start to do? They start to cut all the crops. The big crops, the little crops, they're killing all the crops. And when they went to Siddhi Guru Nanak Dev Ji, they asked a question about death. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj says, why are you talking about death for? What kind of child talks about death? Only old people talk about death because they think it's going to come. But Baba Buddha Ji at that time, known as Bhai Buddha Ji, came to Guru Nanak Dev Ji, and they said that I realized that when those soldiers came and they're cutting the crops, they're cutting the big crops and the small crops, mean that when death comes, death does not discriminate. Death will take the old, death will take the young. Doesn't matter how old or young we are, if it's our time to go, it's our time to go. Guru Maharaj is telling us. So Sat Sangat Ji, whether we are old or young right now, Guru Sahib is saying to remove this rog. Ihitisna vadda rog laga marna manho vesar. That we've forgotten that one day we have to go as well. Meaning live every day and every moment like it's our last, and do those things now that we need to do. Hunavatte har namna bijyo agge pukha kya khaye. So if you don't plant the name of God, if you don't plant the seed of God's name now, agge pave palok, which in the next world, agge pukha kya khaye. What are we going to eat in the next world? This is our support. This is our ahar. It's Gurbani. The Guru's words is our support. Bani Guru, Guru hai Bani. This is Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji themselves, Pratak Swarup, which in a physical form, Sri Sukhmani Sahib, when we read this part every single day, we are sitting with Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji. Guru Arjan Dev Ji is with us at that time, and we're chanting this part to Guru Arjan Dev Ji. Isse tarah if we can, read it Shuddh as well. Take Gurbani Santhya. And ਧਿਆਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ read this Bani. ਹਾਂਜੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਪੜੋ ਜੀ.
ਅੰਤਰ ਅਗਨ ਬਾਹਰ ਤਨ ਸਵਾਹਾ.
ਤੇ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, Guru Sahib Ji teaches antar agan. Antar agan means inside that person there's this trishna di ag, this fire of desire. And it's very interesting. It's quite funny what Guru Sahib Ji is saying, because they're speaking about the people of the world. Antar agana bahar tan swaha. Bahar Sahib Sangat apne sharir te, they put all this, swaha means ash, malke. They put all this on top of their body. And why do they do that for? Why do they put this swaha, this ash on their body? To show that there's no trishna di ag inside them. There's no fire of desire inside them. So by putting this ash on their body, they say that I'm completely cool from the inside, and I've given up all the vastu, all the items of the world. Sab kuch tyag karke, by giving up everything, I've become one with the one. I'm a true sadhu sant. ठीक है? This is the libas that they've put on, this form. पर साध संगत जी एक साखी है छेवें पातशाह ਦੇ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, in the time of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji, by Suttara Shah Ji, a very, very amazing Guru Sikh. And the way they would give their Sikhya, their teachings, was in a very funny, comedic way, but it was still very important. So ਉਸੇ ਵੇਲੇ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, what happened was Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji, Miri Piri de Malik, was sitting on their phone. Takht Sahib te Birajman ho ke, they're sitting on their phone, and Bhai Sutta Ji is doing Chaur Sahib di seva behind Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji. A sadhu comes inside the Hazuri of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji. Guru Maharaj Ji the samne baith ke, they sit in front of Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, and their whole body is covered in ash. The whole body is covered in ash, and they're sitting there with their eyes closed. Like they do, they're completely focusing. Then the samadhi where they look like they're in samadhi, and they're sitting there, the eyes are closed, and then every few minutes they open their eyes and look around to see if anybody's looking at them, to gain attention, right? Like everybody, I want everyone to see what I'm doing and look how spiritual I am. They saw Singh Ji, when he'd open his eyes and look around, he'd look at Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, and behind Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji is Bhai Sutta Shah Ji. And what would they do? Bhai Sutta Ji, when they would see him open his eyes, Bhai Sutta Ji would start pointing at him like this, and keep doing this and pointing at him, right? And then he'd get annoyed, the sadhu would get annoyed, and he'd close his eyes. Then a few minutes later, he'd open his eyes again, and Bhai Sutta Ji would go like this, keep pointing at him. And he starts to get angry, very, very angry. And he says to Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji, tell your Sikh, what is your Sikh doing? Ki karda hai? What is he doing? He keeps pointing at me. The Guru Har Gobind Sahib Ji looks at Bhai Sutta Ji and says, what are you doing? Ki kar rahe ho? What are you doing, Bhai Sutta Ji? They say, Maharaj Ji, I'm not doing anything. Main aap ji de seva kar rahe. I'm doing your seva. I'm not doing nothing else. And I'm not pointing at him. And then he carries on. The sadhu, the fake sadhu, keeps closing his eyes, opening his eyes. Bhai Sutta Ji keeps doing this, and then they lose it and they go crazy. And they go, Maharaj Ji, this person, this sadhu saying, this person, Maharaj Ji, this Sikh, he's such a liar, he's trying to annoy me. And then Guru says, Bhai Sutta Ji, what is going on? What are you doing? And they go, I know that you're a very interesting character and you like to do things a bit differently. And then Bhai Sutta Ji says, Ha Maharaj Ji, I am doing something, but I'm not pointing at him. I am taking the ash that is on him and I'm moving it. The ash that is on his body or inside him, I'm moving the ash to see if there's any fire still left inside him. Just like if we were to burn something and there's ash on the top, and then when you move the ash, you might see a little fire. I'm looking for that fire and I found it. And it's a very, very big fire, Maharaj. Very, very big fire. And you can see that because what was the fire of? Krodh, anger. He was so angry. Ise tarah Guru Sahib saying, Antar, Agana, Bahar Tana Swaha. Inside, Trishna the Aga is still there. The fire is still there. And you can do whatever the arts that Guru Sahib is saying, Bahar Tana Swaha. You can put all this ash in your body, but inside, Jiri Trishna the Aga is still there. And only through Guru Sahib's name can that fire be extinguished, Hanji.
Gal Pathar Kaise Tara Athah.
The Saad Singh Ji, Usto Pehla, there was a few pankti that was missed. Chapas nahe kachhe kare chapaya. Usto Pehla, do panktiya. So, chapas nahe kachhe kare chapaya. So, करतूत पशु की मानस जात लोक बचारा कर दिन रात बाहर पेक अंतर मलमाया छपस नाहे कछ करे छपाया. The Guru Sahib Ji here is saying to us that छपस नाहे के सास जी कई बारी we do a lot of bad actions. ते जिहड़ा पापी पुरख है सास जी छपस नाहे पावे मारे कर्म करके. There's many bad actions, but from the world he hides them छुपा के. But they say, Chapas nahe kach kare chapaya, but they cannot hide it from Vaheguru Ji. We cannot hide our bad actions from Vaheguru. So, Chapas nahe kach kare chapaya, Hanji, agge paro.
Bahar Gyan Dhyan Isnan.
Te bahro Sasanga Ji, chahe that person does speaks many nice words. Gyan diya galla karda renda hai, dhyan lagonda hai. They speak such wise words. They focus on meditation. Ishnan karda hai. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਸਰੀਰ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ, the body becomes pure, but the mind is still mela. They do all these different types of actions, but again, hanji agge paro.
Antar Vyapa Lob Swan.
But Sahib Singh Ji, inside them, antar vyape, inside that person is this lalach rupi kutta. There's this dog inside them of greed. Lalach rupi kutta chimbriya hoya hai Sahib Singh Ji. It is clinging onto that person on the inside. It is holding on to them and they cannot get rid of that dog that is barking and barking. And this comes in Guru Nanak Dev Ji's Bani. Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj tells us that ਏਕ ਸਵਾਨ ਦੋਇ ਸਵਾਨੀ ਨਾਲ ਭਲ ਕੇ ਭਉ ਕਹੇ ਸਦਾ ਬਿਆਲ. They say ਏਕ ਸਵਾਨ. That means that there's this one kutta. Ek swan, doi swani nal. Doi swani means two female dogs. Pal kehe pau kehe sada bayal. Pal kehe means nit har roj. Bayal means swernu. Every single morning, pau sada pal ke pau kehe sada bayal. They bark every single morning. What are those dogs? Lalach rupi kutta te trishna ate asa. Every morning we have this greed. We have these hopes and desires that run through us every single morning. As soon as we wake up, we feel the desire, we feel the greed inside us. And many times that makes us anxious as well because we don't have control of what's going to happen in the day. But Guru Sahib is saying that person, ke ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ this dog keeps barking and barking and barking. ਤੇ ਫਿਰ ਅੱਗੇ Guru Sahib says ਅੰਤਰ ਹਾਂਜੀ.
ਅੰਤਰ ਅਗਨ ਬਾਹਰ ਤਨ ਸਵਾਹ.
And then again we said that this Trishna, the Ag, is inside them. No matter what they do on the outside, they have this pakand of how they show themselves to the world. But inside is a Trishna, the Ag, Hanji.
ਗਲ ਪਾਥਰ ਕੈਸੇ ਤਰੈ ਅਥਾਹ.
But Asal Sangaji, what is this state? What is this state that the people are in? That many of us are in, including myself. They say Gala Pathar. Gala which Sal Sangaji, they have this pathar, this stone, but it's Papa Rupi Pathar. It's the stone of sin. And that is attached to us. Gala Pathar. Kaise Tare Athaha. And so that person that has this Papa Rupi Pathar around their neck, Banya Hoya hai Sal Sangaji, on their neck, they say, how can that person swim across? You know ourselves, you're probably watching the movies when they try and get rid of someone. They tie some bricks to them and they chuck them in the water and they can't swim, they drown to the bottom. What are those things that are drowning us? It is our sin. It is the actions that we are doing that are pulling us down. When we say Nanak Naam Chardi Kala, what does that mean? One arth we can do to that is through Guru Sahib Ji's Naam. Bani Padke, Sarvan karke, Gayan karke, it's up to you how you want to do it, how you connect, by reading those words, by singing those words, Nanak Naam of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, Chardi Kala. Chardi means to always be rising, Kala means our spiritual state, that when we connect to the Guru's words, to Guru Bani, to the words of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, then we're always rising, we are not drowning. The Guru's words have come from that origin, from that thought, from that place, and if we hold on to those words, it will take us to that same place as well. Hanji.
ਜਾ ਕੈ ਅੰਤਰ ਬਸੈ ਪ੍ਰਭ ਆਪ.
So Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj tells us, Ja ke antar. Jinnah de hirde andar, Prabhu Parameshwar Vaheguru Ji da naam vasda hai, inside that heart, where Vaheguru Ji's naam resides. And this is the teaching for us. From all these things that we've seen, the one who has this, they can look like anything. They may look like the poorest person in the world, but they say, Ja ke antar base prabh aap hanji.
ਨਾਨਕ ਤੇ ਜਨ ਸਹਜ ਸਮਾਤ.
Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji kathan karde han ke te jan, oh purkh, that being, sahaj samat, sute siddh. Say very, very easily, that person becomes one with Vaheguru Ji. Very, very easily, if they have God's name inside their heart. And this same Bani of Sri Sukhmani Sahib, this Bani of peace, they say, Tan tan te jan, jeh kat, basyo har nao, nanak ta ke bal bal jao. They say, Tan tan. Oh, tan ta yog hai saasi. That person is so blessed. Tan tan, not just blessed, the most blessed. They said it twice. Tan tan te jan. That person, oh purukh sasanga ji, jeh kat. Kat means hirda. Inside their heart, basyo har nao. Inside their heart sits God's name. Nanak ta ke bala bala ja. The Guru Arjan Dev Ji says, I must sacrifice to that person. The Guru themselves are saying, I must sacrifice to that Sikh, to that being who has God's name inside their heart. And the Guru did not just say that, the Guru lived that. Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj gave Shahidi in Lahore for the Guru Sikhs. Keve Sasangaji Ji, because it was the Guru Sikhs that said to Guru Arjan Dev Ji at the start, ke don't accept Chandu's rishta. They ਸੰਗਤ ਦੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਸੁਣ ਕੇ ਮੰਨ ਕੇ by accepting the ਬੇਨਤੀ ਪ੍ਰਵਾਨ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ Guru Arjan Dev Ji was tortured by Chandu Papi, but they never accepted the rishta. Even though they said many times to Guru Arjan Dev Ji, accept the rishta, but they said, nahi, I'll never accept the rishta, because sangat have done benti and the Guru never turns away the Sangat's benti. If in Sangat Guru benti to the Guru will never turn it away. Hanji Age Paro ji.
ਸੁਨ ਅੰਧਾ ਕੈਸੇ ਮਾਰਗ ਪਾਵੈ
They saw Sangat in this next body, Guru Sahib give us many examples of obstacles we face in our life and what are the solutions to those. Sun anda kaise marg pave. Guru Sahib Ji here is saying ke jive anne nu kahiye, if we say to someone who's anna, who's blind, anne nu kahiye ke walk this way, walk in this direction, how will they know where to walk? If we say go in that direction to a blind person, how will they know where to go? They're going to have no idea. Kidhar nu jana hai, pata nahi. Just by saying go in that direction, they have no idea. Hanji.
ਕਰ ਗਹਿ ਲੇਹ ਓੜ
The
ਨਿਭਾਵੈ
Guru Sahib Ji keh rahe ne ke kar gehe leho. Gehe means, kar means hat. If you were to hold onto their hand, pakar ke, holding onto their hand, kar gehe leho od nibahave. Od means destination. Othe tak. That person can reach that place. If somebody is blind and you say to them, go in that direction, they're not going to know. But if you hold their hand and take him there, Fir Sahib Singh Ji, they can reach that destination. Destination tak or tak pahunchda hai, they've reached that destination. But what is the antariv arth hai? What is the deeper meaning here? The Guru is saying that if somebody is spiritually blind, spiritually, the eyes here are the eyes of our mind and our intellect. Man ate buddh. If we don't have the spiritual eyes and we don't know how to get spiritually one with Vaheguru Ji, what can we do? We can read all the books that we want, Dharmic Pustaka Padke, but Sahib Singh Ji, it is just knowledge from a book. Until we haven't experienced that, it is just knowledge. So how are we able to find that destination, the home of Vaheguru Ji, to say, Kar gehe leho or nibahave, when Vaheguru Ji holds our hand themselves, they take us there. And that comes in Gurbani. The Pankti is flown out of my head. But Guru says that they are not just they're not just the Guru, but they are the path and they are the destination. Ape Gur Chela hai ape. Ape dasse kaat. I think that is the Pankti. They say Ape Gur Chela hai ape. They are the Guru, they are the Chela. Ape dasse kaat. And they show us the path. They take us on the path. Sab Gobind hai, Sab Gobind hai, Gobind bind nahi koi. You're never alone. The Guru is with us on the path. The Guru is with us at the start, in the middle and the end. Ad ant jo rakhan har, tisso preet na karega var hanji.
ਕਹਾਂ ਬੁਝਾ ਹਰਤ ਬੂਝੈ ਡੋਰਾ
They Sahib Singh Ji, Dora hai means bola, deaf. If somebody kanna to bola hai Sahib Singh, they're deaf, they cannot hear nothing. Kaha bujarat. How can you explain anything to that person? If we have this very, very deep concept that we will explain to them, how are we going to explain to them if they're deaf? Hanji.
ਨਿਸ ਕਹੀਐ ਤਉ ਸਮਝੈ ਭੋਰਾ
Pave Sahib Singh Ji, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰਾਤ ਕਹੀ ਹੈ, ਨਿਸ ਕਹੀ ਹੈ, ਰਾਤ ਕਹੀ ਹੈ, ਤਉ ਸਮਝੇ ਭੋਰਾ. ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਸਵੇਰਾ ਸਮਝਦਾ ਹੈ, that the person just said ਸਵੇਰਾ. Nis ਕਹੀ ਹੈ, we're saying to them, nis ratu, and they thinking we said savera. Pave ult samajhda hai. They think the opposite of what we're saying to them. So what is the antariv arth here to this one? Suna anda kaha bujarda bujya dora. If somebody doesn't have the ears of vishwas and parosa, the ears of faith. So if we try to speak to them about these very spiritual things, but this is what you need to do. This whole world is false. Sari dunya chuti hai. If we say to the whole world is false, nis kahiye to samajhe pora. We say the whole world is false, they're going to say, nay, 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 the whole world is true. Sach hai. The jagat is sacha, it's the truth, they're going to say. And we're going to say, no, 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 this body is made of panch tat. It's made of 5 elements. It's made from mitti. It's going to go back to mitti. The truth is the Atma. I'm going to say, no, the Atma is false. The body is true because I can see the body. How many people say this? Okay, I can't see the Atma. The Atma isn't real. God isn't real. I can't see God. Just making them up. What I can see is real. And this is what Guru Arjan Dev Ji is saying to us. Ke nis kahiye to samajhe pora. We say to him, this whole world is false. They say, no, the whole world is true. How can we explain to that one who has no faith inside them? Very, very hard. Bada kathan hai Sads. It's very hard to explain to that person. Hanji.
ਕਾਹਾਂ ਬਿਸਨ ਪਦ ਗਾਵੈ ਗੁੰਗ
The Guru Sahib Ji says here ke kaha bisna pad. Ithe Sads the bisna pad is talking about Prabhu Parameshwar Vaheguru Ji. Say kaha bisna pad gave gunga. Jive gunga nu kahiya. Gunga means someone who cannot speak, who is mute. We say to them, sing the praises of Vishnu, of Prabhu Parameshwar Vaheguru Ji. Hanji.
ਜਤਨ ਕਰੈ ਤਉ ਭੀ ਸੁਰ ਭੰਗ
Chahe koshish kare Saad Singh, they try to say it, tau pi sura panga, but one of the Surah David Saad Singh Ji, in their speaking, they cannot speak. There's an obstacle. They're gunga, they're mute, they cannot speak. So how are they meant to praise Prabhu Parameshwar Vaheguru Ji? They cannot do it. They cannot praise God because they cannot speak. And the Antariv Arth hai Saad Singh Ji, kaha bisnapad gave gunga, is if we don't have the jeeb, the tongue of love, Preet Rupi jeeb. If we don't have this tongue of love, if we cannot speak the God, if we can't speak Vaheguru's name with love, then it's very difficult. Meaning, if we don't have love inside our heart, then it's going to be very difficult to have love on our tongue. So, gaha bisnapad gave gung, jatan kare to pi sura panga, jatan kare, they can make many efforts to try and praise Vaheguru Ji, but they say, Sur hai Saad Singh Ji is talking about this surti. Je ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਸੁਰਤੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜੀ ਹੈ, if their surti, if their concentration, if their whole dhyan, if the whole concentration is focused on the world, then how are they going to truly sing the praise of that one? Meaning that when we're trying to focus on that one, our surti, our consciousness needs to be in that one. And we know that the thing that we love in this world, whether it's our family, friends, partner, our surti is always there. When we're doing part, jo saadi surti hai, it's not with the part, it's with that beloved one that we love so much. But imagine if the one that we love so much was the Guru. Then in that moment, where would we be thinking about? Guru Sahib Ji, jo saadi surti hai, that will be joined to Satguru Ji Maharaj Ji as well. So what is the solution? This is the question, Hanji, age paro ji.
ਕਾਹਾਂ ਪਿੰਗੁਲ ਪਰਬਤ ਪਰ ਭਵਨ
And the last example the Guru gives here is somebody who's pingul. Pera to hine Saad Singh Ji, the one who has no feet, who cannot walk. Kahe pingul parbat par pavana. If you say to them that there's this pahad, thwade samne ek pahad hai, and you say to him, climb up this pahad, how are they going to climb up it? Hanji.
ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਤ ਊਹਾ ਉਸ ਗਵਨ
If you say to the crippled person, climb up the mountain, nahi hot uha us governor, how are they going to climb up it? Us governor, us pahar te, they cannot climb on top of it. It is not possible. Hoi nahi sakda Saad Singh Ji. But what is the antariv arth here? The deeper meaning here is the feat of sadhana, of techniques, of spiritual techniques to become one with the divine, to reach our home. Odakatak, Sachkhand. To reach Sachkhand, to reach the home of Prabhu Parameshwar Vaheguru Ji, we need the right techniques. There's asking if we don't have those, then how are we ever going to reach there? So the Guru gives us all the techniques. And you may think, what are these special techniques? It doesn't have to be something very special, because the most simplest technique, which is daya, compassion. We don't think about these. Kai wari jadon assi ardas karde ha Saad Singh Ji, we say, hey Guru Sahib Ji, Kaam, Krodh, Lobh, Moh, Ahankar to dur rakhna hai. We ask for Guru Sahib Ji to take away our pains, but we don't ask the Guru to give us their blessings, give us nimrta, give us humility, give us daya. We're so focused on the negative stuff. Not to say don't say that, of course we need to say that as well, but why don't we ask for those divine qualities, Devi Gun, daya, sat santok, daya, nimrta. That means truth, contentment, compassion, khima, forgiveness. To ask for these qualities as well. To ask from the strength, ask for strength from Satguru Ji Maharaj. Hanji, age paro ji.
ਕਰਤਾਰ ਕਰੁਣਾ ਮੈਂ ਦੀਨ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਕਰਾ
So Saad Singh Ji, what is the solution? We waited all this time, all these examples. The Guru Sahib says, Kartar, Pave Karta Purkha, Vaheguru Ji. Within their hand, Kartar, Kar means hatha, one of their hatha with Saad Singh Ji, everyone's, the tar is in their hand. Tar means like a rassi, like a string. that they pull us all in, they bring us back to them. Karna mein. Karna mein is recited together. Karna dash mein. Kirpa de khajana, daya de khajana, deen benati kare. Guru Sahib Ji is saying to us, Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji, that if you want to find the solution to the problem, to all these obstacles, these vigans, these obstacles in front of us, they say, Kartar karna, karna mein, deen benati kare. Tan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji de paas jaake benati karo. Kehe Vaheguru Ji, aap ji ke charan kawala paas. ਇਹ ਮੇਰੀ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਹੈ ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਨਾਨਕ ਤੁਮਰੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਤਰੈ
ਕਿ ਹੈ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੇਵਲ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ only with your blessings can I cross over. In all these different examples, it's only with your blessings, with your kirpa, that I will get anywhere. Meaning, always ask for the Guru's kirpa. Always ask for the Guru's blessings and to understand and to accept the blessings the Guru is given to us. Once a great Gurumukh said to me that everything that Vaheguru Ji does is a blessing. Everything is kirpa, which is very, very hard to understand. But again, with time, that is the blessing of time, right? In one respect, that after a long time, when we look back on our life, here samjh pendi hai saad sangat ji, that was for our pala, that was for our good, but sometimes it takes time. And the Guru's kirpa. Hanji, age paro ji.
ਸੰਗ ਸਹਾਈ ਸੋ ਆਵੈ ਨ ਚੀਤ
Sang Sahai. Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji is telling us that one Vaheguru Ji, jo Saad Sangat Ji hamesha hi sahayata den wala hai, all the time they give us sahayata, they give us support. Sang Sahai so ave na cheet. They said that one Vaheguru Ji so ave na cheet. Kadi vi Saad Sangat Ji, never does that person remember them. Chete nahi karda hai that jeev, that person, the one who's protecting them all the time. Guru Arjan Dev Ji is saying that the person never remembers them. Hanji.
ਜੋ ਬੈਰਾਈ ਤਾ ਸਿਉ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ
But jo bairai, jo sade dushman han, very our enemies. Guru Sahib said, Jo bairai ta so preeta. We have so much love for them. Who is our dushman? Kam, krodh, lobh, mohankar. Homme. The things that are giving us so much pain, chugliya, nindya, irkha, that means gossiping, slander, jealousy. We love them so much because we focus on them so much. So Guru Sahib is saying the one that protects us, we forget them. But the one that is giving us pain, our true enemy, we always remember them. We always keep them inside our mind. But Guru Sahib Ji tells us, Chit ave, O sapad Brahma, tan mana sital hoye. He says, if you remember Vaheguru Ji, O sapad Brahma, in those times when we're engrossed in anger, in jealousy, it's like we're burning on the inside. We're burning so much, but they say if in that moment you remember Vaheguru Ji, Chit ave, O sapad Brahma, if you remember the true creator, the supreme creator, phera tan mana sital hoye, they say your mind and your body will become cool. Just like that. Ek chinde vich, turant hi saasini, very, very quickly, in that moment, tan mana sital hoye. This is the bakshish of Guru Sahib Ji's naam, Hanji.
ਬਲੂਆ ਕੇ ਗ੍ਰਹਿ ਭੀਤਰ ਬਸੈ
The Guru Sahib Ji here is giving us example of this body, Balua. Jo Balu ki peet comes in Slok Mala Nava as well. So this body is like a home of sand. Rete Dakar Saad Sangat Ji. So this body is like a you could say like a sand castle that you may make when you go to the beach. Balua ke grehe pitar base. Grehe means kar. Pitar means vich base. Vasada hai. You say, what are we residing in? This body is like a home of sand. It's like a sand castle, you can say. It's not going to remain forever. Like we said earlier, so much faith in it, but it's not going to stay forever. It's going to be destroyed very quickly. And what do we do in this body? Asi kede karma karde ha is sarid vich hanji.
ਆਨੰਦ ਕੇਲ ਮਾਇਆ ਰੰਗ ਰਸਾ
What actions do we do with this body? They say Arda Kel Maya Rang Rase. Maya de naal we have so much prem. Maya naal jeev prem karda hai. We have so much love with this body, this Maya that we have in the world, this illusion. Arda Kel. And they become so caught up in this cage of the world, in these plays of the world. it's all like a big play, right? 1 minute we're happy, 1 minute sad. It's like the dramas you watch on TV. Poor people are never happy. There's always somebody dying and somebody cheating on someone. And we think, what's going on in these soap operas? But Satsang, this is what happens in the world. That's why they do it for, because this is the state of the world. If we don't see that, maybe we're very sheltered, Guru Kirpa. But this is why Guru talks about it as well in their own Bani, that this is what the world is like. The world is a very dangerous place. Very, very dangerous. Satsang, just look today in the world. People are so blind to what's going on and they go crazy. Look at petrol. Just like 2-3 weeks ago, on the news it said there's no petrol left and everyone went crazy. If nobody said that, petrol wouldn't have run out. But look at how crazy and how this is such a big play. It's a big tamasha. Meho param purkh ko dasa, dekhan aaye jagd tamasha. Guru Gobind Singh Ji says, I'm a servant of Vaheguruji and I've come to see the play of the world, and everybody's playing the play. They're completely engrossed in the game. One minute they're laughing, one minute they're crying. It is all a play. It's not to say, leave the world, go live in the jungles, because we probably won't be able to survive there. It means don't be attached to the world. Live in it, have love for your family, for your friends. Love is important. But Satsang Ji, prem ate moh de vich bahut hi fark hai. There's a big difference between love and attachment. And the Guru is saying, be able to distinguish between the two, Hanji.
ਦ੍ਰਿੜ ਕਰ ਮਾਨਾ ਮਨਹ ਪ੍ਰਤੀਤ.
But Satsang Ji, like we said, this body is not going to stay. All these plays that we go through, 1 minute we're happy, 1 minute we're sad. Again and again, it's like a vicious cycle that we go through. But they say ke dred kar mane, dred. Here they're saying, pure nishchay de naal sach, with complete faith, man hai prati, man hai prati, they think this world is true. When we say nishchay, it means 110%. Not 90%, not 99%. 110% they think that this is the complete truth. And then Agge Paroji,
ਕਾਲ ਨ ਆਵੈ ਮੂੜੇ ਚੀਤ.
they think this is the complete truth and they say Kal na ave. Kal means maut, death. Kal na ave moode cheet. Moode means mudak, fool. So in that foolish person's mind, Kal na ave moode cheet. They never remember death. Maut chetani ondi hai saas in their mind. They never remember death at any time. They think they're going to live forever and ever, and they've got all the opportunities. The Guru is saying now, live in the present moment. And you see this so much now in the world, whether that's in the health sector, when it comes to mental health, everyone is saying focus on the present moment. Live in the present moment. Don't worry about the past. Don't worry about the future. Live in the moment. The ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਮਰਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਸਾਸ ਦੀ ਨਾਮ ਅਭਿਆਸ, when we're saying God's name, when we're meditating, we're meant to be in the present moment. Vartaman. In the present moment, we focus and we say God's name. We don't think about the past. We don't think about the future. In that moment, all of our dhyan, all of our concentration is on Vaheguru or nothing else. So just for 2 minutes, ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ, let's do Vaheguru Simran, Vaheguru Jap, ਅਸੀਂ ਕਰੀਏ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ together, just for 2 minutes, because then we still got quite a bit of part to do. But now I've said it, we might as well do it together. There's nothing better than actually doing. Sikhi is a path of doing, the doers. They saw Sangha Ji, ਜਦੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ Guru, when we say the word Guru, what does Guru mean? We say Guru means teacher. Guru means light to dark, or dark to light, Mafi. Another meaning of Guru is the perfect Sikh. Because every single Guru did seva of their Guru. Every Guru. Even Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj Ji's seva of Prabhu Parameshwar Vaheguru Ji, Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji Bhai Lehna Ji, they're the perfect Sikh. Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj Ji de seva karke, they became Angad, Sri Guru Angad Dev Ji Maharaj. The Guru is the perfect Sikh, the greatest Sikh. And that's why they became the Guru, meaning whatever the Guru says, the Guru has lived. So isi tarah Satsang, just for 2 minutes, let's all together do some Guru Mantra jap. I will continue with the Katha Vichar. Vaheguru, 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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
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 ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ Just before we continue the Katha, Tan Sri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji Maharaj Ji tells us in the last couplet, Dohara of Sri Salok Mahalla Nava, Guru Sahib Ji says, Ram Naam aur main gahiyo, ja ke sam nahi koi. Now these words are very, very powerful. They say Ram Naam, the name of Vaheguru Ji, aur main gahiyo. They have been I've resided them inside my heart. I've enshrined them inside my heart. Ja ke sam nahi koi. And he said, there is nothing equal to Vaheguru Ji's name. When the Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji say this, they said this after they watched 3 of the Guru Sikhs become shaheed, martyred. One was sawn in half. One was boiled alive. One was burnt alive. They were sitting in an iron cage, and they wrote many letters to their family in Anandpur Sahib. In that last letter, the last bachan they gave to their own son, to Sri Gobind Rai Ji, was Ram Naam aur main gahiyo, ja ke sam nahi koi. There's nothing equal to Vaheguru Ji's name inside my heart. Tan tan te jan, jeh ghat basyo har nao, nanak ta ke bal bal jao. There's no one equal to that being who has God's name inside their heart, and the Guru is a sacrifice to them. So Vaheguru Guru mantra hai, jap ho mein khoi. So that Vaheguru Ji, this mantra of saying Vaheguru is the Guru's mantra, is Satguru Ji's mantra, Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji's mantra, jap ho mein khoi. By saying these words, jo sadi ho mein hai Sat Sangat Ji, this male inside us, khoi, it is destroyed. That's the Shakti of just saying Vaheguru. Such a small word, but such great results. So the best deal you can get. One small word, Vaheguru, but so powerful. So meaning, let's put that into our lives every single day. Amrit Velle jag ke, wake up in the morning, say Vaheguru. If you struggle to wake up, just do before you go to work. During the daytime, the Guru said, Ji aap kirpa karan, hanji agge paro ji.
बैर विरोध काम क्रोध मोह.
The Guru Sahib Ji here is giving us all these different examples of things in life. Bad means very are enemies. Virod Sat Sangat Ji, all the hate that we have with people around us, and all the enemies that we have that come from that. Kam, Krodh, Moho. Kam, Sat Sangat Ji, our desires. Krodh, anger, moho, attachment. This is going somewhere. हाँ जी आगे पढ़ो जी.
ਝੂਠ ਵਿਕਾਰ ਮਹਾ ਲੋਭ ਧਰੋਹ
झूठ सासंग जी, falseness, lying, speaking false words, झूठ बेकार, विषय बेकार, all the passions that we get enticed in, enraptured in. And then they say ke mahalobh troho, so much greed, tokha, shalakapata, to cheat other people. All these things, saasang ji, that somebody may go through in their life, hanji.
ਯਾਹੂ ਜੁਗਤ ਬਿਹਾਨੇ ਕਈ ਜਨਮ
Yahu jogata. Behane kei janma. Say kei janam for many, many lives. They say that our life has passed in this way. Kei janam beat gaye han is hal de vich saasing ji in this way, doing these actions. Guzar gaye han, we've lived many, many lives in bad, barod, kaam, krodh, loho, moho, choot, bekar, maha, lobh, troho. How many lives have we gone through like this? Yahu jogata, jodna. To be joined to these things, Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj is saying, Hanji.
ਨਾਨਕ ਰਾਖ ਲੇਹੁ ਆਪਨ ਕਰ ਕਰਮ
ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਜੀ ਕਥਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਨ ਕਿ हे ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, हे ਗੁਰੂ ਰਾਮਦਾਸ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਜੀ, ਆਪਨ ਕਰ ਕਰਮ, ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਬਖਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਦੁਆਰਾ through your blessings ਰਾਖ ਲਿਓ, protect me, ਸਾਡੀ ਲਾਜ ਰੱਖੋ, ਸਾਡੀ ਰੱਖਿਆ ਕਰੋ, protect me, I can't do this myself. How many lives have I gone through? Greed, desires, anger, having enemies, having enmity with somebody. So many lives. Even in this life, I'm still stuck in it. So what can I do? Nanak rakh leho apan kar karma. Guru Sahib Ji, you do kirpa. We know what we need to do. We do our seva, simran, sangata, and we need the rest up to Vaheguru Ji. So ise tarah, to do benati, to do ardas is such an important thing. And how important is it? The next paudi, fir assi samapti karni hai, just when after this last paudi, which you go through very quickly, this next paudi is what we read every single day in every single Guru card. When we speak to Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji, ardas karan to pehla, we read these next lines, Hanji.
ਤੂ ਠਾਕੁਰ ਤੁਮ ਪਹਿ ਅਰਦਾਸ
We say, hey Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj Ji, tu Thakur. Ke hey Vaheguru Ji, tusi, you yourself, ਸਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਮਾਲਕ ਹੋ, you are the ਮਾਲਕ of everyone. ਤੂੰ ਠਾਕੁਰ ਤੁਮ ਪਹਿ ਅਰਦਾਸ, ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਪਾਸ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, ਆਪ ਜੀ ਕੇ ਚਰਨ ਕਵਲਾ ਪਾਸ. In your ਚਰਨ I do this ਅਰਦਾਸ ਬੇਨਤੀ, I do this humble plea in your feet, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ. ਹਾਂਜੀ,
ਜੀਓ ਪਿੰਡ ਸਭ ਤੇਰੀ ਰਾਸ
हे ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ, ਜੀਓ ਜੋ ਮੇਰਾ ਸੂਖਸ਼ਮ ਸਰੀਰ ਹੈ, ਅਸਥੂਲ ਸਰੀਰ ਹੈ, this physical body, this subtle body, that means our man, our buddh, this body made of the 5 elements, Panch Tatta da Sarir, our Indriya, Karam ਅਤੇ Gyan Indriya Sasanga ji, Panch Pran, Adak, all these things that we're made up of, this body, the body underneath it, Jio Pind Sab Teri Ras, this is all your punji, this is your property. This is a mine, this body is not mine that you see in front of you, it's all yours, Vaheguru ji, Hanji.
ਤੁਮ ਮਾਤ ਪਿਤਾ ਹਮ ਬਾਰਿਕ ਤੇਰੇ
Hey Vaheguru ji, you are my Mata ji, you are my Pita ji. Hum Barak tere, and we are all your children. Barak, Bache, Balak, we are all your children, Vaheguru ji, Hanji.
ਤੁਮਰੀ ਕਿਰਪਾ ਮਹਿ ਸੂਖ ਕਨੇਰੇ
So, Tumri Kripa Mehe, Aap ji de Kripa which within your blessings, Sukh Kanere. Sukh Kanere means bahut hi, so much sukh is gained through your blessings. Through your blessings, all happiness is gained, Hanji.
ਕੋਇ ਨ ਜਾਣੈ ਤੁਮਰਾ ਅੰਤ
But hey Vaheguru ji, jo aap ji da ant hai, nobody can find your ant. Koi na jaane. Nobody knows the ends to your gifts, to your kirpa, to you yourself. Koi na jaane. Jaane means that nobody knows your end. You have no end. Hey Vaheguru ji, koi na jaane tumra ant, Hanji.
ਊਚੇ ਤੇ ਊਚਾ ਭਗਵੰਤ
Hey Vaheguru ji, aap ji sab to uttam hai. You're the highest of the high. Whereas Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, these 3 different entities, they are all below you. Oh vek hai, oh na nadar na aave, bahota eho vadan. They have all these shaktiya, but not even they can fathom you or understand you, Vaheguru ji, Hanji.
ਸਗਲ ਸਮਗਰੀ ਤੁਮਰਾ ਸੂਤਰ ਧਾਰੀ
Ke hey Vaheguru ji, sagala samagri. All these vastuva, all these things in the world, all these things that I'm so attached to, tumre sutra tari, they're all in your hukam. They're all gained through your hukam, through your maryada, through your living. Sutra dhari ਸਾਰੇ ਪ੍ਰਾਪਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹਨ with your blessings. ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਤੁਮ ਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਸੋ ਆਗਿਆਕਾਰੀ।
Agyakari, only with your permission, only when you allow tumte hoy so agyakari, does anything come to pass. So anything that we see that's happening in the world, it does not happen without Guru Sahib Ji's agya. Hukm hai andar sab ko, bahar hukm na koi. Guru Sahib Ji aap keh rahe hain that everything is in hukm. Nothing is inside of hukm. Hukm means order, will, that whatever is happening is because of Guru Sahib Ji's hukm. ਤੇ ਸਤਿਗੁਰ ਸਭਨਾ ਦਾ ਭਲਾ ਮਨਾਇਦਾ ਤਿਸ ਦਾ ਬੁਰਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਹੋਏ. So whatever the Guru is doing is for everyone's pala, so everyone's good. The Guru's hukam is the perfect hukam, is the perfect play. ਹਾਂਜੀ
ਤੁਮਰੀ ਗਤ ਮਿਤ ਤੁਮ ਹੀ ਜਾਣੀ।
ਤੇ ਹੈ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਜੋ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਦੀ ਮੁਕਤੀ ਦੀ ਮਰਿਆਦਾ ਹੈ, the path of gaining liberation, mukti, ਤੁਮਰੀ ਗਤ ਮਿਤ ਤੁਮ ਹੀ ਜਾਣੀ. You yourself know how to gain that liberation. It is through you we gain that liberation. It is through your blessings, through your khushiyan. Guru Sahib Ji, Satguru Ji de khushiyan prapat karke, then we gain this path of mukti. Jire panj pyare han that bless us with this maryada of mukti. If we follow what the panj pyare say to us, then how can we not become mukta? The panj pyare is the form of Vaheguru Ji, ek sikh doi satsang panji parameshwar. If we follow what the panj pyare say, on that day in the hazuri of Guru Granth Sahib Ji, then we become mukt. Aap mukta, mukt kare sansar. Nanak tis jan kau sada namaskar. Hanji
ਨਾਨਕ ਦਾਸ ਸਦਾ ਕੁਰਬਾਨੀ।
ਇਹ ਸਾਧ ਸੰਗਤ ਜੀ ਅਖੀਲੀ ਪੰਕਤੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਰਜਨ ਦੇਵ ਜੀ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ tells us Nanak Das Nimrata said, look how humble our Guru is. He said that even myself, I am a servant of Vaheguru Ji, Sada Kurbani. All those servants of Vaheguru Ji, those ones who come and save the Guru, Sada Kurbani, Sada hi, forever I am a sacrifice to those Guru Sikhs. To those themselves who have lived up to the Guru's words, who become one with the Guru, har jan do ek hai. Bib bichar kachnaai. There's no difference now. They become one with the Guru, then I am a sacrifice to that one. Tan Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji Maharaj Ji today has blessed us with these many sikhya, these teachings, ke what is the life that we live, what are actions that we are doing, and ultimately do those actions, seva simran sangat te ardas. Always do ardas. Guru Sahib Ji knew every single day, Amrit Vela, even in Sandhya Vela, morning, evening, before you go to bed, many times. A great Mahapurush, Baba Ajit Singh Ji, they were the head Kathakar of Sri Patna Sahib for 50 years. The Baba Ji would do 101 ardasa every single day. Every day, every moment they do ardas to Guru Sahib Ji, to wake up, to do their nityanim, to do ishnan, always remembering Guru Sahib Ji. So ardas is a form of simran as well. It's a form of gratitude, thanking the Guru. Not just always asking, but thanking the Guru for what we have. So in your beintiya parvan karniya Saad Sangat Ji, many mistakes made in the Katha Vichar. Please forgive us for the mistakes. Te Saad Sangat Ji, please bless us to continue to do this seva. We read the last two pankti and then we do samapti. Deho sajjan asisariya, jo hove sahib syo mel. ਤੁਮਰੀ ਗਤ ਮਿਤ ਤੁਮ ਹੀ ਜਾਨੀ, ਨਾਨਕ ਦਾਸ ਸਦਾ ਕੁਰਬਾਨੀ। हे गोविंद हे गोपाल हे दयाल लाल, प्राणनाथ अनाथ सके दीन दर्द निवार। हे समर्थ अगन पूर्ण मोहे मया पार, अंधकूप महापयान नानक पार उतार। आए प्रभ शरणागति कृपा निध दयाल, एक अखर हर मन बस्त नानक होत निहाल। वाहिगुरु नाम जहाज है चढ़े सोतरे पार, जो सरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतार नहार। जो सरदा कर सेव दे गुर पार उतार नहार। वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Please donate and help spread Guruji's message. Link is in the description below. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.